Hi, do you need help with the egg carton model? Well, you've come to the right place. Students can use this Number Frames app on the computer or as a free iOS download to represent equivalent fractions, compare fractions, add and subtract fractions. Let's look at a sample problem you might find on a class worksheet or a homework sheet. Ethan used an egg carton model to add the fractions 1/4 and 3/12. Show how Ethan would have done this. First, click here to choose a frame size. You can choose between 5, 10, 20, 100, or you can drag this blue box to choose a custom frame. We're going to make our own frame by selecting the first 6 boxes of the first 2 rows. These 12 boxes model an egg carton. Once it's selected, I can move it around the workspace. I can rotate it by tapping the rotate button. I can duplicate it, or I can delete it by tapping the trash can. There are a few other options to play with as well. Next, we'll separate this 12 frame to represent fourths. We can use this drawing tool to show how this frame separates into 4 equal parts. I'll click on the pen, draw a line here, and we'll draw another line there. Next, we'll fill in one of the 4 parts to represent 1/4. So I'm going to turn the pen off, and I'm going to drag the counters to fill in one of the 4 parts. This represents 1 part out of 4 parts total. We'll repeat this process, this time building 3/12. So again, I'm going to choose a frame. My 12 frame is already created. Put it down here. This frame is already separated into 12 equal parts. So I simply need to drag 3 and fill in 3 of 12 equal parts. So this frame represents 3 parts out of 12 parts total. And you can see how 1/4 is equivalent to 3/12.